Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a savings account on Halifax. So first, open your Chrome and go to the Halifax website, and here, simply click on the menu at top and then go to Savings. And under Savings, choose what savings account you need. I will choose Easy Access Savings Account. Wait for it to load up. And then here you can see it's different type of savings account. You have here bonus saver and other things. Just choose what you need and click on the name of that account. For example, this bonus saver. I will click on bonus saver and wait for it to load up. Now here you can see the benefits of the saving account. And there are some questions here. Now click on open now to open it. Wait for it to load up. And here you can answer if you are already a Halifax customer and registered. Answer yes if yes and answer no if no. Now, as you can see here, there are some questions. You can answer that later on. Just click on apply now if you're a new user of Halifax. And answer the following questions. Input the following details that are needed, and then continue the prompt until you've made an account. And that's basically it.